I'm here for a post-op appointment with Dr. Gravori on my lumbar surgery. See, it happened last Wednesday. It's now Monday, so 5 days ago. I feel great. I'm ready to go back to work tomorrow, so everything is good. Best surgeon in the world. When you wake up, you have all this pain before surgery. You wake up after surgery and you're pain-free. The only pain you have is where the incision was, and that's fantastic. And now I just got to convince him and my wife that I can go surfing. When I came to see Dr. Gravori, my pain level was probably a 9 or a 10. I was in a lot of pain. I had radiating pain down from my back, down my legs. It was pretty bad. And after the surgery, oh God, the afternoon after the surgery, I was more or less pain-free. I had no more tingling in my limbs. Went for a walk with my dogs around the block. I had a good time. I had a little apprehension the day of the surgery with the anesthesia and, you know, going through, you know, getting cut up and all that stuff. But I was confident I was in good hands. I'd had 2 prior surgeries by Dr. Gravori, and they were extremely successful. I'd heard all the horror stories from friends and acquaintances about back surgery and you know, not having the mobility, in extreme pain from the actual surgery. But on my last appointment with Dr. Gravori, before the surgery, I asked him, is this going to be like the surgeries on my neck? I'm going to wake up pain-free? And he said, yeah. And I had a lot of confidence that that was going to be the case, because he had literally fixed me twice before when I had broken my neck. I'm a surfer, and surfers suffer chronic back issues and things like, especially lower back issues. I have a friend that is constantly complaining about his back, and I'm constantly telling him, get off your butt and go see Dr. Gravori, it'll be all done. You know, what? An hour in surgery and you're finished. You know, no more pain, no more complaining. The office staff here and the surgery staff, my wife was so impressed with the surgery. Everybody kept telling her exactly what was going to happen next. Dr. Gravori made sure that we were introduced to everybody that had anything to do with the surgery. You got to know everybody real quick, and everything was handled very professionally and nice. And when you're in his office, you look at all the different awards he has. The man stays on top of his craft. He's constantly being educated on new things to put you at ease. The comfort level with Dr. Gravori is amazing. He's got such a great, personable attitude. I mean, you feel like you've known him your whole life after your first visit.
Hi, I'm Jessie, and I'm John's wife. And I just want to thank Dr. Gravori, because it was really, really bad before his surgery. He was in so much pain. Life was really difficult. I had to do everything, and it was really hard to watch him be in that much pain. And after surgery, all the pain was gone except for the surgery pain. So that was really good. Now he's moving around great, he's walking, he's not complaining, he's getting up and down, he can't wait to go do things. It's kind of hard to hold him back, but his pain level is gone, and I really owe a lot to Dr. Gravori. Fixing his neck twice, that was really painful and scary, and he's great. Dr. Gravori makes you feel very at ease. He's very calm, he's very intelligent, he makes you feel at ease. He's just a very gentle, easygoing man. He knows how to make you feel very comfortable. His staff is that way also. Everyone is really great here. I was extremely surprised at how fast he got back after surgery. I thought he'd be home for weeks from what I've heard from other people that have had the same type of surgery, and he's only 5 days out and he's great. His back, you can barely see the scar. Only 5 days out, so it's not scarred yet, but it's been great. It's like instant recovery. I thought for sure he'd have to spend at least a couple nights. Wasn't necessary at all. In the hospital a few hours, and home we went.